Nindakugethia muno mwiroreri wa kirathi gya KINYUGO MWAURA na ndagucokeria ngatho nyingi muno nindu wa gwitikira gukorwo uri umwe waria marumagirira kirathi giki day in day out. God bless you so much. Nganyiha muno ni undu waku na ngakuria we ura watch uta subscribe itikira gwikaguo tondu yo no support iria nene muno ungikorwo ukinengera kirathi gya KINYUGO MWAURA. Niĩ ngetwo KINYUGO MWAURA ngwiraga hindi ciothe ungiona ihwa haha menya turenda kwaria cia wendo na tukeria cia wendo ni episode itu iria twitaga I need love. Uririkani ati haha ni haria endwa matumaga meririria mao kana angikorwo hari mundu ureciria uria hana ugagituma nie ngwenda muthuri uhana uu no kana ngwenda mutumia wina miaka eno neno na ugatuma thimu-ini yakwa nani kana email address yakwa nani ngakorwo ngioka guthoma haha no gatiga namba cia thimu nigatha mundu ungikubatara ri agakorwo agigukinyira. Koguo ino ni episode ya 12 ni episode ya 12 kuma riria twambiriria. Koguo no tuthiete oro wega tugikinyagira request iria we mwenyewe utumite na rita riri riroka turahoya mundu ungitikira guka haha yaria riberi etikire gwikaguo handu ha hindi ciothe tugathoma request kuma ha wiko we no shamba guka kuga nie ndenda muthuri ka ndenda mutumia ri please do the same oka twaraniria one on one ututariria nigetha tukorwo tugikira request yaku kuringana uria we ukwiyugira kuma kano-ini gaku na tucokerie mukawa wa Sports View Kasarani ngatho to nio muthenya wa muthe matuhete hagukorwo tukimemerekia tabarira ya umuthi na ngwiraga guku ni kundu guthaka muno kuri na iharo nene iria ihostaga ageni aingi kwi nyumba cia micemanio ni kuri gym ni kuri swimming pool ningi ni kuri andu amenda guthie body massage ni kuri na motungata macio kwina car wash kwina services njega o nginyagia andu aria marutaga wira guku na ni marugaga irio njega muno ungikorwo wi guku Nairobi na ni arigwo ni hanguthie kuhuruka oro wega handu hahoreru nginya ungirutira kawira uka guku Sports View na namba cio cia thimu iri hau uguo screen-ini yaku. Tucoke tukuririkania ati kirathi kirugamirirwo ni kambuni ya wendia wa migunda ya Brico Homes na Brico Homes twina migunda kundu gutiganite na mungikionanira na mwendo waku haha ri mukione hari kinya mungienda gukinyukia ri toguka kwa Brico mugure kamugunda nigetha mwake mucii wanyu oro hamwe. Namba citu cia Brico Homes ni 0721 077 077 na kou ni ugukorwo gitaririo kuria turi na migunda. Request ito ya mbere muthenya wa muthi ni kuma kwi Jerry arauga hi Caro na igageithika ni kwega muno Jerry. My name is Paris Jerry. I need love. I'm aged 32 with 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. Ciana ciakwa iri na ukuru wa miaka 14, 12 and 7. I need a serious man aged between 35 to 60 years old. Mundu nginyenda no anyite na namba iri hau screen-ini na email address bado no iheanitwo hau ya Paris nigetha mukorwo mukiaraniria. Thengiu muno Paris ni undu wa gutia mitaratara iria tuko tugite ugatuma request na ugatiga namba ya thimu kana email address iria mundu akuhota gukinyira nayo. Mundu akereretwo Lea rauga I'm Lea from Nyahururu. I'm 38 years old but niko Saudi kazi kwa sasa. I have one boy who's 12 years old. I need a man aged between 39 to 45 years old. My number is on the screen. Na Lea niyo hau ungikorwo ni ukwenda gukorwo kiaraniria nake. Mundu wa gatatu ni Joyce arauga hi Caro. Hi Joyce. I'm Joyce Gashuma, a widow for 8 years. Pole sana Joyce. Akauga niko na 4 children. I need a God-fearing man na niko na miaka 40. Igienda muthuri ukuithetia mutumia kana muthuri single utari wahikania ari na miaka 40 ginyagia 50. My number is right there. I house screen-ini yaku ungikorwo ni kwenda kwaraniria na Joyce. Thank you Joyce. Mundu witu wa kana umuthi ni David arauga my name is David Moya from Muranga. If your job of connection is very serious, that's a condition. I need a wife. Okay. David gukuringana uria mukwaraniria na andu aria magukuhurira na meririria mangoro yaku, but I've still put across your request and thank you so much. Akauga I need a wife with 1 kid aged between 25 to 28. Ndakwira David ni ukuona ni aingi. You can share my number na namba yake iri hau screen-ini. Thank you so much David. Tikaingi athuri metikiraga kwiyaria ona gutuika turi na maiganona thiini wa show yo muthi. I have Grace niwe wa gatano roga hello Caro. Hi Grace. I'm Grace, 40 years old from Kiambu. I need a man aged between 55 to 65 years. Someone serious and a God-fearing man. Na namba yako ya thimu iria nginyira nayo niwe ni heanite. Asante sana. Mundu wa gatandatu ni Githinji arauga I'm Githinji and I'm 27 years old. I currently live in Muranga. I'm looking for a serious lady to marry and also ready to start a family. I've never married before, so I have no kids, and my phone number is right there. Ogeda githinji waraniria nake na rauga no korwo wa miaka 27 arenda muiretu we serious no renda kwambiriria family, namba niyo yo hau uguo. Mtu wa saba ni Helena arauga hi Carol, nice show. Thank you so much Helen. Akauga miaka nayo imesonga. I'm 33 years old. I'm not married and have no kid. I'm financially stable and God-fearing. I want a single, legally divorced man or a widower between 40 to 50 years old. I would prefer a Kikuyu, God-fearing, and a joyous man, not a dull person. My number is right there. Helena ni yaria na neuga miaka ni thiete. Ukauga muiretu etikirite miaka ni thiete niguo ni etikirite oguo. So only a serious person should contact these people. Agiko nduri serious ndukamuthakire, please. These are people who have opened up and they really need a partner and they are serious about it. Kogo Helena, we wish you all the best. Modo wa kanana aretwa John arauga hi Carol, congrats for the good job you're doing for connecting people. Asante sana John, I appreciate. Hope I will get my rib here. Onanie noguo mwihoko wakwa. I am John, I'm 39 years old. I live in Nairobi, but my home county is Murang'a. I'm looking for a lady to settle down with, aged 35 to 45 years old, either in Kenya or in the diaspora, with or without kids, who is ready to settle down. My contact number is there. John, thank you so much. Akoni ukwenda muthuri ucio John. Mundu wake ndaretwo Frecia. Frecia says, hi Carol, I'm Frecia, 41 years old with one boy who is now 16 years old. I was married some years back, but my husband died through a road accident in the year 2007. Pole sana Frecia. I'm looking for a serious man, please, please. And I'm self-employed. I have a shop. Thank you Frecia. And your contact is there on the screen. Ogikoni ukwenda gukinyira Frecia, itikira kwaraniria nake na njirire arenda mundu ukumwendera mwana wake ucio ri no kuru wa miaka 16. So number 10 we have teacher Waithira. Waithira says, hello Carol, I've just watched an episode from your channel on Ruth Davis' story and I'm just inspired and the message is so relatable. Asante sana. Do you have a platform where you connect people with other willing singles? Yes, I do. Naniweno. I'm a high school teacher by profession, a mom to one baby boy, 27 years old. I'm looking for a God-fearing man, ambitious, serious about marriage, a professional, and who will embrace me and my son. And my phone number is right there. All the best, teacher Waithira. Ngai ni agukuhe uria wagireira gukorwo ari waku. Number 11, and that is the last one for episode 12. We have, hi, I'm Anne. Anne, hi, how are you? I'm 26 years old and I'm a single mother of one. I need a man aged 27 to 30. Should be God-fearing, should love me and my child, na akue either Dubai ama Qatar. My phone number is that, it is on the screen. Nakauga, I need a serious person. So everyone here arauga, I need a serious person. So kindly reke twitikire gukorwo ati na beo wamiona hau uramihura tondu nawe serious. We wona hau uguo contact icio, because it's really disheartening riria ndirahurirwo ni kwirwo ni andu ati mundu ucio arathakire na nioro uguo aranitekire advantage, they were not even serious. Yes, there are those who have gotten very serious people, and one day we said we are going to bring them. No remuta komwe serious, please don't call someone. Nigukorwo kimuhat, and we said andu aingi makorwo mokite haha makuanite na ngurara cia kuma kunene muno, and all they need is company and companionship. So let us respect them. Na mundu aregwo, please regeka gia thayu, ndukarume mundu kana kumushindura kana gwika undu muru. So God bless you so much. Ni undu wa request makiria, itekira kundumira haria email address ni yakwa niyo caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com kana kuhitukira namba yako ya thimu niyo 0722919062 na ririkane utore tuga hindi ciothe itikira gutiga namba yaku kana email address tondu using my phone is sometimes very difficult. For now tondu uyu noguo mutaratara uria turahuthira ri, let's just accept that namba yaku na email address yaku niyo kindu kiria raithi gukorwo kihuthira riria urenda mundu haha online. So God bless you so much. Until the next episode, ni ndimwendete na muririkane kuigithia migunda na kambuni ya wendia migunda ya Brico Homes kuria matutwe na migunda ya 50 by 100 na turadia na thogora wa 330,000 Kenya shillings. Na ucio ni thogora uria uri nginya na title deed thiini. Ungenda gukorwo kiaraniria na Brico Homes nigetha uthie haria project citu ire, to twina migunda Chaka, twina migunda Sagana, twina migunda Juja, na icio ni project ithatu ire kuria mwena wa Juja. Ningi twina migunda Mai Mahiu na ingi kuria Nyahururu. Please itikira guka nigetha ukoro kigithia no ithu to nginya tukaya kahinda ga kuriha utari na kimajika kiu kirendekana. We give a period of up to 6 months. Namba citu cia thimu ni 0721 077 077 kana utusherere wabici-ini citu hare Jiwa Complex second floor kwa Brico Homes, which is a touch of fulfillment. Thengio muno kuri mukawa wa Sports View Kasarani toni kwe twikire tafarira ya muthenya wa muthi na nio makoragwo kaingi magituhe kuria tugwikira interviews. Ungienda karaji kega kana kundu kwega gwa gukoma kana kundu gwa ku relax, gym k kundu renda guthambirio ngari wega, this is the place to be. Namba cia thimu cia Sports View kana ni uhiki urenda gukorwo gika kwina iharo nene iri hau uguo screen-ini yaku. Ngai wa moya murathime murori magukumia na murona endwa anyu. Asanteni sana.
Taito ciekuo.
Yes.
Na mugunda uyu wona wagura wagia taito yaku ri, you become the legal owner of the land.
Yes.
Gutire ngano ingitongwiraga, there is no many stories here.
Yes.
You buy the land, you give Brico Homes your money, then you get your title.
Yes.
We don't want music all along.
That is true.
We want simple things. Buy the land, get your title.
Wow.
And of course, adu maragia kaundu ka makahana tari guthaka mugatire mugunda ni title.
Yeah.
Mudura wokire na kiyo kiu ri roho wakwa no wamuteithĩtie kuga uhoro wa ma mugunda ti stories
mugunda ni title.
Mugunda ni title.
It is true.
So you pay and get your title.
Yes.
It is that easy.